sir, with you only, with respect to firefighting, I wanted to ask, are there any specific type of firefighting, fire extinguishers which should be installed in a high-rise building?
Now, high-rise buildings are the same. Firefighting is the same. Water-based firefighting is the general applied firefighting system. Water is the best fire extinguishers. Now, all types of buildings, whether it is a high-rise, tall building, medium, or otherwise, the National Building Code of India 2016 very elaborately gives what are the requirements in different types of buildings. If you look at it, part 4 of the NBC is dealing with only fire protection systems. Now, out of that, there is a table called Table 7. The Table 7 lists out the requirements of firefighting systems for various types of buildings, and within that types, various categories. Now, if you look at the residential buildings, which you are now currently talking about generally, right. Residential buildings fall under category A, if I am not mistaken. In category A, there are different categorization which goes by the height of the buildings. Now, there are one category is below 15 meters height, then 15 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 60, and above 60 meters. Now, in each category, there are different provisions made. You have to install all those kind of provisions. These are all water-related, like hydrants and sprinklers, and fire detection systems. Then, especially for tall buildings, instead of firefighting, there are evacuation systems are very important, because to evacuate the people, there has to be smoke-free and fire-free exit areas, like the staircases or the elevators has to be pressurized to make sure that smoke does not enter into those exit areas. So these are the provisions which are to be made. Now, if you look at special areas like electrical rooms or data centers or server rooms and all, there are special categories like flooded systems like NOAC 1230 or FM 200. These are all gases which can be, as the fire happens, it can be released and it extinguishes the fire. Because in these kind of areas, water cannot be used as a medium for firefighting. Now, it's not necessary, it's not specifically applied to the tall building or medium building or otherwise. It's specifically applied for the type of materials or type of areas which are to be safeguarded, like electrical rooms or data centers and all.